Massage therapy dates back thousands of years as a legitimate medicine for pain. For some of us, nothing feels better than having tense muscle groups molded and kneaded into a more relaxing state. It's therapeutic, and regular massage sessions are a great way to de-stress after days worth of work. Foot massages are great for people who walk a lot daily. Maybe your job requires you to move around the office, or you're working in a position involving manual labor. No matter the reason, tired and sore feet can be a pain to deal with if you just want to relax after a tiring 9 to 5. With the right foot massager, you won't need to leave home to pamper yourself. These machines are designed to hit pressure points in your feet, for a relaxing feeling that you can adjust with various controls. If you think that a foot spa massager sounds like a good idea, then keep scrolling to see some of our top foot spa massagers this year. Number 1. Homedics Foot Spa Massager. One of the problems with buying new appliances is that it can be difficult to learn how to actually use the appliance you bought. Even if you know the general idea of how the machine works, operating it with all the buttons, bells, and whistles is a completely different ballpark. This is especially true for people who aren't exactly tech-savvy and know little regarding more advanced appliances. This foot spa machine, however, throws all that out the window. The foot bath is very, very simple, with a single button that controls the on and off state of the spa. Simply fill the tub with water, soaps, and salts of your choice, and let it do the rest. This does mean that you sacrifice customizability, which may be an issue for more experienced users, but if all you want is a good foot spa, then you're guaranteed to get one with this device. Number 2. Ovidus Foot Spa Massager. The previous foot spa tubs are great budget options if you're short on cash. If you've got some more money to spare, however, you may want to consider more advanced massagers that really give you that relaxing experience. This foot spa bath massager not only heats the water you're using, but massages your feet automatically at the same time, essentially giving you a 2-in-1 special that you just have to try out for yourself. The heat of the water can be adjusted as well, from 35 to 48 degrees Celsius. So, if you think that the water's too lukewarm or too hot, you'll be able to set it at just the right temperature to keep your feet at ease. The tub is made out of durable material, so it's designed to last, and as long as you use it properly and carefully, it'll serve you well for months and even years on end with no issue. Number 3. Best Choice Products Foot Spa Massager. This next foot spa bath massager also has a motorized massaging component similar to the previous product, but it has one major difference: it uses more than one type of massager. While rollers are a simple yet effective way to massage your feet, they can only cover so much area, and the same feeling of rolling over your feet can get a little stale over time. With this massager, however, you've got 2 different ways to massage your feet for a more dynamic experience. Aside from the different rollers, the massager itself also comes in a total of 4 different colors, so if you like choosing one to match your room, you've got a few options. The massager even has built-in wheels, so if you wanted to move it around the room without lifting it, you can do so with relative ease. With multiple massage rollers keeping your feet occupied as you bathe in the foot spa, you're bound to have a very therapeutic experience using this massager. Number 4. Cloud Massage Foot Spa Massager. This last foot massager doesn't give your foot a foot spa at all, but it was worth mentioning in the list because of how effective it is in the massaging aspect. The Cloud Massage Shiatsu Foot Massager is the perfect tool for you to get your feet loosened up after a day's worth of walking and trekking. The device uses various components to massage your feet all over, from the soles to the ankles and much more. The real interesting feature of this massager is how many modes there are at your disposal. You have a total of 5 different modes to choose from, each one feeling unique and different. This is perfect if you use the massager often and want to make sure you keep things interesting every time you use it. You may not feel the warm water on your feet as you get the massage, but the quality of the massage itself is so good, it's well worth the trade-off. Number 5. Conair Foot Spa Massager. If a foot spa alone isn't enough for you, then maybe adding an element of massage can help with that. Massages and spas go hand in hand, and when you use the 2 in tandem, you're in for a real treat. This pedicure spa may be basic like the previous product, but you can do quite a bit with what it offers. In particular, the foot pedicure spa comes with a massage attachment that's useful in helping massage your foot muscles into shape. The massager comes in 2 different colors, lavender and purple, and the device is very simple to operate. In fact, you can turn the thing on and off using your feet, so if you've got your hands busy, you can operate it without needing to free up either one. The basin will last you a good 10 minutes, more than enough time to give you that much needed R&R session, and short enough to allow you to do other things throughout the rest of your evening.